Hold on, there we go. Show off our epic Intel 486 laptop. It's got an SX 16 bits. No power, unfortunately. I mean, it is a couple years old. It has a 25 megahertz processor, blazing fast. I don't know, 4 megs of RAM. We're saving the RAM. Let's go ahead and put this back together real gently, like. Just go do a pan around real quick. You can see the lovely quality plastic. It's a shame because it isn't yellowed. It's not yellowed at all, but
I know, it's too bad.
It's just shit plastic. And you know that means this is going to be an excellent smash.
You ready?
Let's punch in the Konami code. Get the fuck out of here! What?
That easy?
What? Really? Is this real? Is this real life or is this just fantasy?
Oh, I knew it was shit plastic, but I didn't think it would break like that, though.
Fuck me! I knew it wasn't worth keeping this piece of shit. Look at that.
Normally we have to let something purposely sun damaged to break like that.
It just... Oh my god! God damn! That... Oh my god, that was incredible.
Just that plastic. It broke when you dropped it.
Mad plastic.
It's still going?
Yeah. What? The screen isn't standing up anymore. The hell? What?
That actually held up.
What? So the screen